All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Following the successful deployment and trials of an initial 6 advanced towed artillery gun systems, ATAGS, Armenia is reportedly in advanced negotiations with India's Kalyani Strategic Systems Limited, KSSL, to procure 78 more units. This potential deal underscores the growing defense cooperation between the two nations and highlights India's emergence as a key supplier of advanced defense technology. The initial batch of ATAGS howitzers, delivered in 2023, underwent rigorous testing across Armenia's diverse terrain, including high-altitude mountainous regions and plains. These trials, conducted by the Armenian army, confirmed the ATAGS's adaptability, long-range accuracy, and operational reliability, even with modifications to suit Armenian conditions, such as a user interface in the Armenian language. This positive experience has prompted Armenia's Ministry of Defense to pursue a larger procurement of the indigenously developed 155 mm 52 caliber artillery gun. The Armenian army is expected to provide feedback from its initial deployment to further refine the next batch of ATAGS units, ensuring they are optimally tailored to their specific operational requirements. This potential deal follows Armenia's previous acquisition of Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launchers and other defense equipment from India. It signifies India's growing influence in the global arms market, particularly in regions like Eastern Europe where there is a demand for cost-effective and versatile defense solutions. While this deal signifies a significant step for India's defense industry, it is important to note that the Indian Army itself is reportedly pursuing a different artillery system for its future needs. Sources indicate that the Indian Ministry of Defense is currently in contract negotiations with KSSL for the procurement of 307 ATAGS units. However, the Army is ultimately seeking a lighter and more agile towed gun system with greater automation than the ATAGS.